look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, your heart is a sun, and it shines as it opens.
Well, your heart is a sun, and it shines as it opens.
Yeah, your heart is a sun, and it shines as it opens.
Well, your heart is a sun, and it shines as it opens.
Yeah, your bones are the earth, and they sing with the mountains.
Well, your bones are the earth, and they sing with the mountains.
Yeah, your bones are the earth, and they sing with the mountains.
Well, your bones are the earth, and they sing with the mountains.
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
Is a space that creates your horizon.
Well, your mind is a space that creates the horizon.
Your mind is a space that creates your horizon.
Well, your mind is a space that creates your horizon.
Say, why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
You know, you can feel it when you look inside. You know, you can feel it. It's no surprise. Say, why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world
Say,
inside?
why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside? Inside, all of the world inside.
sky fell down on me. Behind the curtain, beneath the hospital bed, hiding just beyond my reach. Feels like my prayers are bouncing off the ceiling tiles like a helium balloon. I can't close the distance between the way I feel and what I know is true. I'm caught up in a battle I wasn't looking for, when I'm searching for solace in the middle of a war. You are my missing piece. You are my missing piece. My missing piece. I'm tired of waiting, but I'm afraid of how it's gonna end. So I'm stuck here in between, bracing for bad news and hoping for a miracle. Well, I'm fighting to believe. I'm caught up in a battle I wasn't looking for, when I'm searching for solace in the middle of a war. You are my missing piece. You are my missing piece. You silence my worry when fear is deafening. The people are clamoring close to the ground. My head and my heart are way up in the clouds. My love is alive for you.
Walked in darkness, my home was a night. Then you came into my life, showed me brilliant light.